Hey guys, it's Mannat and today I want to show you how to make slime without borax because borax in India is very hard to find. And yeah, so if you search on Amazon or Flipkart, it's very pricey. It's like 1500 or 2000. It's like very pricey. So yeah, I will show you the recipe how to make slime without borax. So this recipe I learned from my friend. She's a very good friend of mine, and we're doing an Instagram account together, like a collab thingy, where we post slime videos, so you should totally follow that. I will link the links down in the description down below. So yeah, let's get started. The things you will need is fevicol, but I ran out of glue, so I ran on to my newest stationery shop and they didn't had fevicol, they just had the camlin white glue. So we're going to work with this right now. And you have to use shaving foam. This will make your slime very fluffy. And yeah, you have to use this, and you have to use poster colors. I'm using the camel poster colors. You can use any poster colors you want, acrylic paints, any paint or pigments you want. And you're going to need a stick. So this is a very old stick. As you can see, I don't know what was this. It was like a pen or paintbrush, I don't know, but I use this to mix my slime. It mixes really well with this, not with a ice cream stick, because that is like, so I'm using the color green right now. And then you will need baking soda. This is the activating part. You need baking soda and you need lens solution. This will activate your slime. Yeah, let's get started. So I'm just pouring the glue and dropping some drops of poster colors in the shade green and mix it in together. And I'm adding some shaving foam to make it a nice fluffy slime. And yeah, I'm just activating this with baking soda and lens solution. I'm adding little by little and seeing the consistency. And if it's very sticky, you just have to knead it after. It's like very sticky and too hard to mix now. So this is the final product. So I'm recommending don't use this glue, please, because this makes my slime really breakable. See, there's a hole. It's not the fault of my recipe. I'm not saying my recipe is bad because it worked great. I will insert a video of my slime that I made earlier with fevicol. That is like amazing slime. It's very stretchy, very pokey. So yeah, this slime is pokey but not that stretchy. It should be if you like do it like that. So it's not the fault of my recipe. You can try it with other glues, but I will not recommend this glue because this is very breakable. And yeah, so you should try this recipe. And yeah, tell me in the comments down below that you like the recipe and it has worked for you or not. And I will show you the fevicol slime right now. So yeah, I just like literally just bought this fevicol. So yeah, let's make some slime again. Telling you the slime recipe and doing a comparison on which glue is better, the camlin one or the fevicol. So this is the fevicol one, and this is really nice. As you can see, it's like really stretchy. It's not coming all is in the frame. It's that stretchy. Like see, and let me do a comparison. And I just put my hair into a bun because I don't want to get my hair messy while making slime. So this is what we have here. And this is the same recipe. See what is inside. In this, the same recipe but the glue is different. See. It's very pokey and very stretchy. I just love. And I told you guys, like, I love this color. Also, this is a pastel bluish color, which is really nice. See? It's really nice. It's very stretchy. See? See? If I do it with this, like, seriously, it looks like a sponge, a breakable sponge, literally a sponge. It's like, see, now I've made these two slimes for comparison, and the recipe is same, the glue is different. So see, you can see that the glue, it's not the fault of my recipe, it's the fault of the glue. So I would not recommend using camlin glue. You can use any glue you want. And I heard from somewhere that Mannat glue is very nice, so you can try that. I have ordered it and it will be like delivered tomorrow or day after tomorrow, I don't know. Amazing. Amazing. Look at that crunch. Listen. It's like you can add glitter to it. So that's it for this video. Make sure to subscribe and like this video, and make sure to follow all my social media: Instagram, Snapchat, Twitter, Facebook. All the links will be down in the description down below. I love you guys so much. Bye.
We'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon, turn us to thousands, and we'll grow